From singles and families to business owners and investors, everyone's talking about moving to Texas. And McAllen is no different. But is McAllen the right Texas city for you? Before you pack your bags, there are a few things that you need to know. McAllen's economy is thriving, the cost of living is low, and we've got some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. The weather is warm all year round, and the food, let's just say, you're gonna need a few cheat days. They say everything's bigger in Texas, and in McAllen, that includes opportunity. But I admit, Texas isn't for everyone, and even McAllen might come with a few surprises if you're not prepared. Today, I'm going to break down a few reasons McAllen may not be a perfect fit, based on real feedback from people I've helped relocate here. If you stay with me till the end, I'll share some tips on what to avoid when moving to the area so you don't make the same mistakes. And by the way, I'm Bry Tallis, realtor with eXp Realty. And if you're thinking about moving to McAllen in the next week or in the next year, let's chat. Call or text me directly at 956-300-4343 or shoot me an email at brysales@outlook.com. Let's make your move to McAllen as smooth and stress-free as possible. First up, let's talk about the landscape. McAllen is flat, as far as your eyes can see, and if you're coming from somewhere with mountains like I did from Tucson, or places with snow and dramatic views, you might feel a bit underwhelmed here. Yes, we've got big palm trees and sunshine, but if you're an outdoorsy person who craves hiking trails and breathtaking overlooks, McAllen may not be the place for you. McAllen's charm lies more in culture and community than the scenery. Next, a bit of a culture shift for some. In Texas, you'll see a whole bunch of Western style fashion daily. Cowboy hats, big belt buckles, and boots are normal around here, even when it's over 100 degrees outside. And trust me, those boots are not cheap. Let's talk about weather. If you hate the heat, McAllen may not be your thing. Summers are hot and humid. And if you're used to snow or cooler temperatures, sorry, but on the flip side, go scraping ice off your windshields, go shoveling snow, and the pool season basically never ends. Next up, traffic and driving. Good news, McAllen's traffic is not like Dallas or Houston. But bad news, drivers can still be a little wild. Speed limits, more like speed suggestions. 3 years here and I'm still trying to get used to such high speed limits. If you're not aggressive, you might want to stay in the right lane. And keep your GPS handy because missing your exit here means circling back across the frontage road and starting all over again. Healthcare access is kind of a mixed bag. In McAllen itself and Edinburgh, we've got solid medical centers and specialists. But if you're thinking about living in a more rural area outside of the city, just know getting to emergency care can be a long drive. If easy access to hospitals and doctors is a priority, plan to stay closer to the city center. Let's not forget about property taxes. Texas doesn't have state income tax, which is great. But what the state doesn't take, the property taxes might. In Hidalgo County, it's not uncommon to see rates between 2.5 to 3%. So on a $300,000 house, you're potentially paying around $7,500 to $9,000 a year just in taxes. But that's on top of your mortgage, insurance, and maintenance. It's something to budget for and something I personally walk all my clients through before they buy. But a $300,000 house in McAllen will cost you about $400,000 plus when looking at the national average. Last but not least, size and spread. McAllen is small compared to other Texas metro areas, which is honestly a win for some folks. You can get across town in 20 minutes or so, and you're never too far from shopping, great food, or nature. But if you're coming from a major city, be ready for a slower pace, smaller skyline, and a tighter community vibe. Which is what I love the most about McAllen. If you're serious about moving to McAllen, you need someone who knows the area inside and out. Someone who can tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm Bry Tallis, licensed realtor with eXp Realty. And my job is to help you find the right fit, the right home, and avoid costly mistakes when relocating to the RGV. Call or text me at 956-300-4343 or email me at brysales@outlook.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any tips about life here in the Rio Grande Valley.